next section is putting everything upright and then adding the beams and the gussets, basically. Alright, for this step, it's the frame assembly. Short side is just adding lag bolts to the gusset piece and to the main beam there, the long beam. to the next step where in each four corners we attach these with the 1-inch pan screws. All right, we're on to the step where we're putting all of the metal panels onto the roof. So this is the next step. On this one, we just have 4. It looks like on the next step, we'll skip to putting them all in after we get the corner pieces on. But first comes first. Okay, the next step is to attach the corner pieces here and then put all of the roofing screws in. Okay, the next step calls for adding 102.5, the ridge clip, to the angled sides, and then the 72.2 roof edge to the bottom of the small small roof rafter assembly. Okay, like I said, the last step, I put these screws in. I wasn't supposed to, so I got to remove them before I can do this next step. Part of this step was taking some of this weather seal on the inside of this piece here. So okay, for the next part of the assembly, it is to get the long roof rafter assemblies and start putting the tin pieces on. I'm gonna make note to only put these 4 screws in because I believe when we go to the next step, then it'll help make it easier to align. And again, I'm not going to put any of the ones across the bottom because I'll need that for those other pieces in future steps. Okay, the next step involves putting on these corner pieces and then putting in all the screws except for the ones across the bottom. Similar to the small roof, the next step is going to be putting these like trim pieces on. They call them the roof edge and the ridge clip. So we're gonna go ahead and get to that. The next step is to attach this spacer top with 3 2 1/4 inch screws. Well guys, I hate to finish the video up like this, but I lost the footage. It got corrupt or something when I was trying to do the editing, so I didn't get to show you putting the rooftop pieces on. So I've come back out and I'm just going to show you the finished product. So here it is. Let me turn the camera around here. There it is, guys. The top on. This is what it looks like on the inside. We'll take a step back. There's your Costco gazebo.